Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to find Spotify music meditation. Firstly, go simply to Google and search on meditation music on Spotify. Click on the first direct link that appears on the search and this will take you straight to Spotify's meditation hub. Scroll to curated playlists like Peaceful Meditation, Deep Focus, Conve Vibes, etc. and explore albums and artists who specialize in relaxation, mindfulness, and meditation sounds. Tap the heart icon to save playlists or albums to your library, and if you have premium, toggle download to listen offline. Now in the Spotify app, type keywords like guided meditation, sleep meditation, mindfulness, or relaxing ambient. This will bring up even more user-made and official playlists. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.